Hey crypto fam! Ever feel like you need 10 different apps just to manage your digital life? Crypto wallets, exchanges, bank accounts, the list goes on. Today, we're diving deep into Bitwala, a platform aiming to be your one-stop shop for all things crypto and beyond. But the real question is Bitwala free, or are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows? Let's face it, transparency is key in the crypto world. We've all heard horror stories about exchanges with surprise charges eating into our hard-earned gains. So, before we jump in and explore Bitwala's features, let's get this fee question out of the way. The good news, core features are free. Here's the exciting part, Bitwala offers some core functionalities completely free of charge. This includes opening a self-custodial crypto vault for Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. That means you have complete control over your private keys, a crucial aspect for many crypto enthusiasts. Sending, receiving, and storing your crypto within these vaults won't cost you a dime, unless, of course, we consider the fees inherent to the blockchain itself, gas fees for Ethereum, for example. But wait, there's more. Bitwala also throws in a free Euro account with a virtual IBAN. This lets you seamlessly deposit and withdraw euros, making it easier to bridge the gap between your crypto world and traditional finances. So far, so good, right? But is that all Bitwala offers? Exploring additional features and potential fees. Hold on, crypto warriors. Bitwala boasts additional features that might tickle your fancy, but some come with a price tag. Here's a breakdown. Crypto trading. If you're a crypto day trader or just looking to buy and sell crypto on the go, Bitwala facilitates instant purchases, but there are fees involved. These fees will vary depending on the amount you're trading, so be sure to check Bitwala's fee schedule before diving in. Visa debit card, craving the flexibility to spend your crypto directly? Bitwala offers a Visa debit card that lets you pay with your Bitcoin or Ethereum at any merchant accepting Visa. Convenience comes at a cost, though. There's a monthly fee for the card itself, along with potential foreign exchange fees for transactions outside the Eurozone. The verdict, free for the basics, but fees apply for extras. So, to answer our initial question, is Bitwala free? The answer is, it depends on your needs. The core functionalities like the crypto vaults and Euro account are free to use. However, if you want to delve into features like crypto trading or the Visa debit card, be prepared for some fees. The bottom line, is Bitwala right for you? Ultimately, whether Bitwala is a good fit depends on your crypto lifestyle. If you're a casual crypto hodler who just wants a secure place to store your BTC and ETH, the free vaults might be all you need. But if you're a frequent trader or crave the convenience of a crypto debit card, factor in the additional fees before committing. Remember, the beauty of the crypto world lies in choice. Bitwala offers a unique blend of crypto and traditional finance features, all in one app. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, including the fees, and decide if Bitwala can be your crypto management Swiss Army knife. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.